In the infinite expanse of the universe, some celestial wonders shine brightly, each telling a story of cosmic power and mystery. These are pulsars, quasars, and neutron stars, three extraordinary objects that guide our understanding of the cosmos. First, let's explore pulsars. These are the remnants of massive stars that have ended their life in a spectacular explosion called a supernova. The core left behind collapses into a neutron star, so dense that a single teaspoon would weigh more than a mountain. As the neutron star spins rapidly, its powerful magnetic field creates beams of radiation. These beams sweep across space, much like a lighthouse. If Earth happens to be in their path, we detect regular pulses of radio waves. This is what makes a pulsar. Next, we journey deeper into space to encounter quasars, one of the most energetic and distant objects in the universe. Quasars are powered by supermassive black holes at the centers of young galaxies. As matter spirals into the black hole, it heats up and emits an immense amount of energy, often outshining the entire galaxy. These distant beacons of light can take billions of years to reach us, offering us a glimpse of the universe as it was in its early stages. And then come neutron stars, the very origins of pulsars. Neutron stars are incredibly dense, packed into a sphere only about 20 kilometers in diameter. Despite their size, they can have a mass up to 1.5 times that of our sun. Inside, gravity is so strong that electrons and protons combine to form neutrons, giving the star its name. Pulsars, quasars, and neutron stars, three cosmic marvels that reveal the incredible power and mystery of the universe. As we look deeper into the vast unknown, these celestial wonders guide us, each shining light on the fundamental forces that shape the universe and everything within it. Some mysteries are just waiting to be uncovered.